Yes, ma'am.
You can see me now. All right. Very good. Sorry for coming this late, but please sit still and listen. Okay. After this lesson, you will just log in and also you log out and log in again. We are going to have another lesson. Are we together there?
Yes.
All right. So,
having another.
yeah, another one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Others went out, they did not come. Now, what is that noise? Please unmute yourself. Joe, I can see you better. Right. Let us start our maths. Today, we want us to look at more proper fractions. Want to look at what?
Proper fraction.
Yes, Tawana, you are there. Okay.
Yes.
What is a proper fraction? Do you know what proper fractions are? What is a proper fraction? Proper fraction? Yes, Bethel?
A proper fraction is a fraction that has a smaller number on top and a bigger number is a bottom.
Yes, very good. What do we call the smaller number, which is at the top?
Yes.
What name do we give to the smaller number? Yes, Melvin. Oh. Tawana, what do we call that number?
The smaller number. The smaller number is the numerator.
Yes.
Bigger number is the denominator.
Very good, very good. The smaller number is the numerator.
Numerator.
Yes, then the bigger number is the denominator. So when we talk about proper fractions, but we always have that noise. Can you hear the noise? Please, may you all unmute yourselves. We're having so much noise there. Right, now we said proper fraction is a fraction which has smaller numerator and a bigger denominator. All right, we want today to look at fractions which we call equivalent fractions. These are, let's just look at this a table here. Can we all see this table?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can't see the table. You can't.
We can. We can.
Can.
Isn't it? Yes, this is the table.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fractions. First of all, we have, what do we have there? The top. This
One whole.
One whole. All right. And then it is divided into two equal parts. Each part is equivalent to
2 half and half.
Half and a half. Very good. 2 halves. And then each half is divided into how many quarters? Each half is divided into
2 quarters.
Yes.
2 quarters.
2 quarters. And then the 2 halves are divided into how many quarters total? How many quarters? 2 halves.
4 quarters.
Yes, there are 4 quarters. All right. We have halves, we have quarters, we have fifths and tenths And then underneath there was supposed to have 20ths. Brave, can you see that? You can see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
All right, very good. So that is what we mean by equivalent fractions. These fractions are equivalent ones. Okay, right. As we said, proper fractions are fractions whereby we have a numerator which is smaller than a denominator. So today we want to look at these proper fractions. Okay, and then we are saying if we have from this table which I showed you, if I say half, how many quarters are equal to half? How many?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, who is that one? Who is saying yes?
2 quarters.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
2 hours.
2,
2 quarters.
yes, 2 quarters. Very good. So that's why we are saying these are equivalent fractions. These fractions are equal. Right, let us look at these 2 quarters. And then let us look at tenths. 1, 2 quarters here. How many tenths in 2 quarters? Let's do here. 2 quarters, 1 quarter, and another quarter. How many tenths are equal to 2 quarters? Can you see that? How many tenths?
Yes, ma'am.
How many tenths? How many tenths? Look at tenths. How many? And quarter, quarter. We look
Yes,
at-
ma'am.
Yes, Melvin.
5 tenths.
Here. Tenths. How many tenths can we see here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. We have got 5 tenths. The number of tenths are 5. So in other words, we are saying 2 quarters is also equal to 5 tenths. Okay.
Tenths.
Yes, that is why we're saying these are equivalent fractions. The fractions are equal because 2 quarters are equal to 5 tenths. You look at the table I have the tape is only that it's small. How many of you have this book, Ventures Primary Maths? Do you have it? How many? Do you have this? Ventures? Others were downloaded.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good.
Yes, ma'am.
You have it. This work is in Unit 14. You can find this work in Unit 14, page 73 and 74. That is where you are going to find equivalent fractions. Tanaka, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Brave, where's Brave? Is Brave in?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Bethel, can you hear me? Bethel, you can hear me?
No, ma'am.
Yes, you can because you are saying no.
No, ma'am.
You can.
No, ma'am.
Listen so that you know. Angela. Angela.
Not hearing.
There's a lot
There's a lot of
of noise.
noise. Where is this noise coming from? It's your continue. Your videos. Can you please play to them? And then when it is written, unmute that. Because they with each other too. Take your laptops and your phone. All right. Okay. Is right. You will use the step. Can you see it on page 73? You will use the table. I'm going to send you the way for you to use equivalent fractions. These fractions, you will use this table to answer questions that I'm going to give to you. Okay, do we understand each other?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Start to fill in the missing numbers. Like, say here, you are going to have 20th. There are also 20th, 1/20th. I want you to look at 7/10. How many 20ths? Want to see clever ones? Look at 7/10 equivalent to how many 20ths? If you look at this table here, can you see 7/10?
No, ma'am.
Here,
No, ma'am.
you can't see this. You can't see this table.
Yes.
You cannot see. Huh? You can't see this table.
No.
You cannot see.
No.
Look. Bethel, you can't see the table. Bethel, you cannot see this table.
Yes.
You can't see.
I know the answer.
Hmm?
Now I can.
Who knows the answer? Tawana, what answer? What we have?
The answer is 14.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good, Tawana. Very good. I'm wondering those who are saying they cannot see such a very big diagram. Tawana saw and counted.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Now there at your homes, use this table. All right. You use the, yes, you use the table to find equivalent fractions. I will send you those, even those who don't have the book, going to the table and then send you the work. Refer to the table. It shows these divisions, and then you lead by line. Then you follow the lines, and then the lines are the ones that are going to show this number is equivalent to number. For example,
Teacher, what's happening like if someone is playing a drum?
yeah. this noise coming from?
It's
Huh? Right.
Someone is playing a drum.
Who is playing a drum? Stop playing drum. I told you that we must be quiet. You cannot keep hearing each other. And our TV switched off.
Yes, ma'am.
So where is it coming from? Look, now it's quiet. Right. Let's look at fifths. A whole. One whole. How many fifths? Look at the whole. One whole. How many fifths? Count. We have seen the answer. Fifths. How many wholes? Yes, Andile.
5 fifths make
How many, Andile?
5 fifths make 1 whole.
Very good, very good, oh, very good. Because you look at this whole and then you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 whole is equivalent to 5 fifths. Very good. You are going to answer very well the questions which I'm going to give you. All right. Right. Let me see. I gave you some work yesterday. How many of you did that work?
Yes,
You did.
I finished the work, teacher.
Yeah, okay, that is fine now. I told you that after math, you are going to come again and then we do another side. So don't go away. All right. Okay. Wait,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, can you be just wait? Okay, this one. All right. Okay. Now